Hello. Today we're going to talk about the data coming in next week, and next week all eyes will be on the United States CPI report and retail sales. Headline consumer prices are expected to have risen by 3.6% last month, accelerating for the second consecutive month. On the other hand, the core index is likely to have increased by 4.3%, the least since September 2021. Also, retail sales is expected to have grown only by 0.2% month over month, down from July's 0.7%. There are several other reports worth watching, including industrial production, producer and foreign trade prices, the preliminary estimate of Michigan consumer sentiment business inventories, the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, and the government's monthly budget statement. Elsewhere in America, investors will also be keeping an eye on Canada's international transaction in securities, Mexico's industrial output data, and Brazil's inflation rate, retail trade, and business morale. In Europe, ECB will be deciding on the course of its policy on Thursday. The central bank is expected to keep borrowing costs unchanged, making a pause in the rate hike campaign after 9 consecutive increases that brought the rate on the deposit facility to a 22-year high of 3.75%. Traders will also await further clues regarding the central bank's plans for the rest of the year, and new economic forecasts will be closely scrutinized. On the data front, it will also be interesting to follow final inflation figures for Spain, France, and Italy, and of course the German CEW Economic Sentiment Index and wholesale prices for Germany. And Euro area industrial production will come in, labor costs, wage growth, and trade balance. In the UK, a batch of important indicators will offer insights into the country's economic health, namely unemployment rate, wage growth, GDP growth for the month of August, trade balance, and industrial production. Finally, Turkey will release industrial production, retail sales, unemployment rate, and current account data. In China, a batch of economic data for August will give the latest insights on whether initial government support measures may have already had an impact on its slowing economy. New releases are set to show slight rebounds in consumer prices, new yuan loans, industrial production growth, and retail sales, while fixed investment and house prices will be closely eyed for turns following Country Garden's missed bond payments. In Japan, investors await the Reuters Tankan Index for September and July's machinery orders. In India, inflation is expected to have slowed contrary to a rebound in industrial output and a stable trade balance. Elsewhere, South Korea will share its August unemployment rate. In Australia, key releases include forward-looking indicators such as September's Westpac Consumer Confidence, August's NAB Business Confidence indices, and a range of labor data. If you would like to receive further updates on what's going on in the market space, please like and subscribe. Thank you.